Welcome to this deep rest meditation. Before we begin, take a moment to acknowledge yourself for prioritizing this time for deep relaxation and rejuvenation. It is important to carve out this space for reflection and inner peace. Let us use these next few minutes to reconnect with ourselves and to set a calming intention for the rest of the day. Begin by finding a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Close your eyes and gently turn your attention inward. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, allowing your lungs to fill with cleansing air, and exhale gently through your mouth, releasing any lingering tension. Feel your body sinking into relaxation with each breath. As you settle into this moment, take another deep breath, letting the soothing rhythm of your breath guide you deeper into relaxation. Feel the coolness of the air as you inhale, filling your lungs with revitalizing energy. With each exhale, imagine releasing any stress or worry, allowing your body to soften and your mind to quiet. Let go of the events of the day and any thoughts of tomorrow. This is your time to unwind and recharge. Feel the support beneath you, whether it's the ground, a chair, or a bed, embracing you in comfort. Let your muscles soften. Feel your shoulders relax, and your mind drift into a state of calm serenity. Allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm, like gentle waves lapping at the shore, bringing a sense of tranquility to your entire being. In this stillness, invite a sense of peace to envelop you, like a warm embrace from within. Let go of any expectations and simply be present in this moment of deep rest. Throughout this meditation, let your body and mind be cradled in a comforting embrace of tranquility and deep rest. Allow yourself to fully surrender to this feeling of relaxation, knowing that you deserve this time to replenish and renew. Stay here for as long as you need, soaking in the nourishing calm. As we continue, allow yourself to gently open up to the possibility of deep rest and relaxation. Feel the surface beneath you, supporting your body with gentle firmness. Allow yourself to sink into it, as if you are being cradled by a plush pillow of softness. Imagine each breath you take is a gentle wave carrying you deeper into a state of profound relaxation. Now, bring your awareness to your feet. Feel the tension slowly melting away as you wiggle your toes. Tense the muscles in your feet for a moment, and then release. Notice the contrast between tension and relaxation, and allow your feet to sink deeper into comfort. Move your awareness up to your calves and thighs. As you inhale deeply, tense the muscles in your legs, and as you exhale, release all tension, feeling them becoming heavy and relaxed. Visualize a warm, soothing sensation enveloping your legs like a soft blanket wrapping around you. Continue this relaxation as you bring your attention to your abdomen and chest. Inhale deeply, allowing your belly to rise with the breath, and then exhale fully, letting go of any tightness or discomfort. Feel your chest expanding and contracting naturally in harmony with your breath. Now, focus on your arms. Clench your fists tightly, feeling the tension in your hands and forearms, and then release completely. Sense the warmth and heaviness spreading from your fingertips to your shoulders, as if each muscle is unwinding and sinking into relaxation. Shift your awareness to your shoulders and neck. With each breath, allow these areas to soften and release any remaining tension. Feel as if a gentle touch is easing away any tightness, leaving your shoulders light and your neck loose. Finally, bring your attention to your face and head. Soften the muscles around your eyes, relax your jaw, and let your forehead smooth out. Imagine a gentle breeze brushing over your face, soothing away any last traces of stress or strain. Now, rest in this state of deep relaxation for a few moments. Feel the stillness and peace enveloping your entire body, like a serene lake reflecting the calmness within. Allow yourself to bask in this sensation of tranquility, knowing that you are fully supported and safe in this moment of deep rest. Stay here as long as you'd like, enjoying the rejuvenating effects of this guided relaxation. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently stretch your body, and take a few deep breaths, returning yourself to this present moment. Feel the lingering sense of deep relaxation and peace that you've cultivated through this practice. And know that you can return to this guided relaxation whenever you need to reconnect with your inner calm and tranquility. Before you open your eyes, repeat the following affirmation to yourself. I am powerful. I am capable. I am worthy. Feel the truth of these words resonating within you, empowering you to step boldly into your life with confidence and courage. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Carry this sense of peace and relaxation with you as you return to your day, knowing that you have the strength and resilience to embrace all that life has to offer.